Hey y'all! I wanted to take you through my BelaMD treatment that I did for myself in preparation of Derm Nurse Laura and I attending the Chicago In Mode Insider Summit. So this was primarily to take our Morpheus 8 game to the next level. We're already finding so many amazing results for our patients, but meetings like this basically inspire us, give us new pearls and tips, and give us a chance to really network with other physicians and nurses who love the Morpheus. So this is what I love to do when I'm getting ready for a special event, whether it's to get ready either for photos or social events like weddings or meetings that I'm attending. I like to do the 800 nanometer filter for skin tight, and what this does is it deploys red light, infrared light. It's very gentle heating. It doesn't hurt. There's no anesthesia required for this, and I'm going to show you in the photo when I'm done how it really leaves no redness as well. But it basically stimulates collagen, it tightens and firms skin. In the long run, if you do this, adding it to your BBL, you will find that things get lifted and toned. The next step here is the BelaMD microdermabrasion tip with the diamond tip. So these are fine little diamond dust encrusted onto a tip with a bit of gentle negative pressure. You can see my face goes very red. I'm just extremely sensitive, rosaceous, but it's exfoliating that dead skin layer. The next step here is hydrogen water cleansing, and what we do is we take a very, very gentle negative pressure, and this hydrogen water or heavy water is actually sanitizing, disinfecting the pores. I love doing this for blackheads and comedones. This is a great way to clean out your pores, so to speak. Our mentor, Dr. Lachlan, always used to say, never let an esthetician or a facialist extract you by doing the steaming and extraction. That's extremely traumatic for your skin. We see a lot of spider veins and things being formed because of that. This is a far better way of just in a very gentle manner cleansing out your pores and doing that little bit of disinfection using the hydrogen water. Hydrogen water, in fact, is the reason why it's so good for cleansing as a disinfectant is it's biocompatible and similar to hydrogen peroxide. This next step is my favorite. This is the Ultrasonic skin scrubber. This is special to our BelaMD. It's a newer edition, and it's a very, very quickly oscillating smooth paddle. So when you have these ultrasonic vibrations, it basically creates a shearing effect on a microscopic level on these dead skin cells. It doesn't hurt, it feels great. There's a little bit of spray mist that's put onto the skin just so that the oscillating paddle doesn't create too much heat or friction on the skin. But this is a great way to almost buff the skin surface. This is the reason why the skin feels so soft, looks very smooth and glowy, and also makeup goes on great when you have a base that's extremely smooth. So again, great to do before events. This next step is wonderfully relaxing. This is the Y handpiece. It also happens to emit a little bit of gentle microcurrent, and that microcurrent is actually causing your muscles to have little contractions, really helpful for lymphatic drainage. I put some ultrasonic gel onto the skin just so that there's some coupling of that microcurrent. So this is a great thing to depuff. I am a puffer, so I tend to bloat and retain water. Great for that. This next step I'm showing you on my neck because the bio-infusion serums basically are matched to whatever need your skin has. So what Lisa does is she will have a look at the different issues in the skin, whether it's inflammation, sensitivity, irritation, acne, oily skin, pigmentation. So we've got different bio-infusion serums to match whatever concern there is on your skin. I'm using the calming serum here because I'm rosaceous, was getting a little bit irritated just from stress and the pace of life. And again, I wanted to really calm the skin down before my event. What I'm doing here on the lip is something special. We love to treat the lips here at Skin Phi, meaning hydrate and condition the tissue on the lips, treat it with as much love as we do as the skin on the face and the neck. And The reason why I do it on my lips is I have very naturally full lips. I will thank my mother for that. It's just genes. So I don't put filler in my lip, but they are getting, shall I say, just shriveled. That's just a consequence of losing collagen over time, which is a very natural part of aging. But sometimes the lips need a little bit of plump and hydration as well. So it's great to put that little bit of hydrating serum onto the lips. This last step is called electroporation. The reason why this is important is I've put some calming serum on the skin, and now the electroporation is going to drive it into the upper layers of skin. The reason why there's a red light at that tip is, again, the calming effect of red light. It's actually evidence-based for lowering inflammatory markers in cells. So extremely calming. It's anti-inflammation. It's driving now that calming bioinfusion serum into my skin and sort of locking it in. Again, all very, very relaxing steps in the BelaMD, which is why it's a feel-good procedure as well in our practice. Here I am in the final step, and this is the most important step. It's putting sunscreen on. This is my new favorite. It's Ava Iza Every Morning by the sunscreen company. Sometimes I put a little tint on with the Color Science Unforgettable in Glow Tint. Again, sunscreen is the most important step in any rejuvenation procedure. Thanks, guys, for joining me.